life seriously. I'm like, man, just have fun. I'd literally piss myself, dude. I'm not even kidding.
I thought I was going to swing the whole entire way. I'm going to swing the same way.
Dude, I can't do that. I'll pass out. I'll pass out. I don't do well at heights.